A few months ago, one of the first 2 videos that I've done was how to maximize cashback using credit cards for beginners for 2022. So right now, 3 months later, as of June, I'm actually going to share with you guys using the same combination and update and to show you more quantitative videos as well. Last week, I've actually done up a video on the UOB EVOL card. I'm not going to delve into much details in this video, but that is part of the combination of how you can maximize your cashback. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the UOB Absolute AMEX card. I'm going to review to you guys the interest that I've been earning ever since using this card about a year ago, and also the combination of how I use this together with the UOB EVOL, and in what situations do I use the UOB Absolute AMEX card. So the UOB EVOL card, if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch that before you watch this. It is a minimum spending of $600 every single month. To complement that, I use the UOB EVOL after I have hit the $600 minimum spending on the UOB EVOL card, because that cashback you earn there is superior compared to the UOB Absolute AMEX, which gives you a 1.7% cashback rate. First off, let me just show you how much cashback have I earned ever since using the UOB Absolute AMEX card about a year ago. In this table, as you can see over here, I have consolidated how much cashback I have been earning every single month. In the bracket beside the red words, it is how much I've spent in that month, and the red color figures is actually the cashback amount that I've earned. So sometimes if you actually really go and calculate the amount, it is a little more than 1.7% cashback. I have never fully had a one-to-one match of, like, example tracking how much I've spent this month, and then I times the amount by 1.7% and I get the exact amount for cashback in the following month. So I'm not exactly sure how UOB calculates that, but most of the time it is over and never under. How I use the UOB Absolute AMEX card is mainly for my insurance premiums. I have done 2 videos on how you should actually pay for your insurance premiums and also how to earn cashback on your insurance premiums, which is using the UOB Absolute AMEX card. Consistently every single month, I use these to pay for my insurance premiums. And in the next scenario, if you've watched my past videos, you know I'm on this journey of actually only spending $400 every single month. This is the card that helps to earn me cashback, although my spending is kept to a minimal. Because there's no minimal spending on this UOB Absolute AMEX card, you can spend like $50 or $100 on this and you still earn 1.7% cashback on that. So every single month, if I know I'm not going to hit $600 on my UOB EVOL, I don't use that card, and instead I use this UOB Absolute AMEX card, which is how I maximize my cashback. If you know that this month you're going to be spending $600 on your day-to-day expenses, be it online shopping or PayWave transactions at restaurants or retail shops, then use the UOB EVOL card, because on that card you can earn a 6.67% cashback, and if you can maximize the $600, you are essentially earning $40 cashback in that month. But beyond that, I will use the UOB Absolute AMEX card. For example, in June this month, you watched my previous video, I actually mentioned to you guys I have overspent this month, and what I did was actually I maximized the UOB EVOL card first. On the UOB EVOL, I maximized this card with $600 spending, and thereafter I used the UOB Absolute AMEX card. So with these 2 combinations of card, I will be able to hit maybe more than $50 or more than $60 every single month. So this month, this is my combination. And if say I have a lot more, I will actually combine with another card, which is the DBS Live Fresh card. But in this video, I'm not going to go into DBS Live Fresh. I'm just only going to cover UOB EVOL and also UOB Absolute AMEX. If you refer to the UOB Absolute AMEX website page, they actually market this product as a limitless cashback that's absolutely simple, which is absolutely true, because you can earn 1.7% cashback on almost anything at all, including topping up your GrabPay wallet. That also counts for 1.7% cashback. So if you see the website, they say that you can pay for your insurance premiums, your school fees, wallet top-ups, healthcare, utilities, and also rental, and that will also constitute to the 1.7% cashback. If you are new to UOB Bank credit card customer, you can basically sign up for this card and spend $3,000, and on your $3,000 spending, you will earn 5% cashback. So that is not too bad. If you know that you have a huge expenditure this month that will amount up to $3,000, it's a good time to apply for this card and maximize your cashback on that. I will put a link to UOB's website below. I don't earn any affiliate links when you sign up for it. I'm I'm definitely not a financial advisor as well. I'm just letting you guys know that this is my own combination of how I earn roughly about $50 to $60 of cashback every single month based on my day-to-day spending. It's my way of saving a little more, especially in such circumstances where inflation is on a high. Details to that is all down below. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. There's one other card that also offers something like a limitless cashback, which is the Amex True Cashback card. But that card offers a 1.5% compared to the UOB Absolute AMEX, which gives you a 1.7%. So if you really compare between the two, the UOB Absolute AMEX card is actually superior compared to that. One hack that I have for you guys, or a tip rather, if you realize that some platforms or shopping or retail stores does not accept Amex payment, what you can do is, because the UOB Absolute Amex card allows for wallet top-ups, you can use the UOB Absolute Amex card and top up the GrabPay MasterCard and use the MasterCard to pay for your transactions. So MasterCard is more widely accepted. Some places still do not accept Amex, or some websites do not accept Amex. You can use this method of topping up your GrabPay wallet and then use your GrabPay MasterCard to pay for the transactions. So here's one little hack for you. This is what I always do, and it's how I use to pay my insurance premium. This is how I combine the usage of these two cards in order to maximize my cashback every single month. 3 months ago, that video was a general broad idea of how I actually use this card. In the span of the 3 months since the first video and up to today, I've actually done up dedicated videos on the UOB EVOL card, how to earn cashback on your insurance premiums, and whether should you pay your insurance premiums annually or monthly. If you want specific product reviews and also how I actually use them for my own daily life as a Singaporean, you can refer to the videos. I'll link it up above and also down below. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, or you can actually email me as well. That's all I have for today. Today's video is really a quick guide. The UOB Absolute AMEX card is an all-in-one card that doesn't need more explanations because it is as simple as earning cashback on almost anything, and it is a card that I feel should be in your wallet. This is my personal opinion and how I personally use it to earn cashback and to maximize the cashback that I earn every single month. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.